Good morning.
Good morning.
We're having our breakfast of ginger tea, and Danilo is making our fruits. Later on, we're gonna have our rice and fish. Your favorite.
Yeah.
And laing by surprise. For breakfast, may masarap akong ulam. Laing ni Mamang. Spicy. Initin natin. And this is tinapa by Mamang's. Mamang Pokwang's tinapa. Ang dami, oh. Isang garapon. Sarap ng breakfast namin. Laing by Mamang. Tinapa by Mamang. Rice by Manang Candice. This is ginger rice with turmeric. And sunny side up. My hubby loves the Filipino breakfast. Yeah!